Welcome, here we've got Honor 8 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to simply slide to the right to get access to advanced camera settings, and now let's focus on capture settings category. At the first position here we have camera grid option, so let's pick it. Now we can pick a few types of grid lines: the standard grid, PHI grid, Fibonacci spiral with left or right option. So let's start with the standard grid. Now let's move back to the camera, and as you can see we have these lines in the preview. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. Let's slide again to the right and pick the camera grid to go to PHI grid. And in the preview now we have this kind of composition. These lines are also useful when we want to making experiments with composition at our picture. And another slide to the camera grid to the Fibonacci spiral with left. So this is how it looks like. And the next one is right to this side. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them. So they are only to help us taking better photos. Of course, when we don't need the grid lines, we have to slide again to the right, pick the camera grid and turn them off here. So for now in the preview they have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.